Experiencing a noticeable shake when your car is idling can be an unsettling and concerning issue for any driver. While there can be various reasons behind this phenomenon, understanding the potential causes is crucial for addressing the problem effectively. In this comprehensive overview, we'll explore the common culprits that may be causing your car to shake at idle and discuss possible solutions. Possible causes. 1. Engine misfire. A misfiring engine can lead to vibrations at idle. Issues with spark plugs, ignition coils, or fuel injectors may disrupt the combustion process, resulting in uneven engine performance. Replace faulty spark plugs, ignition coils, or fuel injectors. Ensure regular maintenance and timely replacements. 2. Vacuum leaks. Air leaks in the vacuum system can upset the air-to-fuel ratio, causing your engine to run erratically and produce vibrations. Damaged hoses, gaskets, or intake manifold issues can contribute to this problem. Inspect and repair damaged hoses, gaskets, or intake manifold. Perform regular checks on the vacuum system. 3. Faulty motor mounts. Motor mounts are designed to absorb engine vibrations. If these mounts are worn or damaged, they may fail to dampen the vibrations effectively, causing them to transfer to the chassis. Replace worn or damaged motor mounts. Regularly inspect and maintain mounts for optimal performance. 4. Idle air control valve, IACV, issues. The IACV regulates the amount of air entering the engine at idle. Malfunctions in this component can disrupt the engine's idle stability, resulting in noticeable shakes. Clean or replace the IACV. Ensure proper functioning of this component for stable idle. 5. Clogged fuel injectors. Accumulated debris or contaminants in fuel injectors can hinder proper fuel delivery, leading to uneven combustion and, consequently, engine vibrations. Use fuel injector cleaner or have injectors professionally cleaned. Regularly use high-quality fuel to prevent deposits. 6. Transmission problems. Issues with the transmission, such as a failing torque converter or transmission mounts, can contribute to vibrations when the car is idling. Consult a professional mechanic to diagnose and fix transmission issues. Ensure regular transmission fluid checks and changes. 7. Air-fuel mixture imbalance. Problems with the air-fuel mixture, often caused by a faulty oxygen sensor or a malfunctioning mass airflow sensor, can lead to rough idling and shaking. Replace faulty oxygen sensors or mass airflow sensors. Ensure proper calibration of these components. 8. Exhaust system malfunctions. Damaged or disconnected components in the exhaust system, such as the catalytic converter or muffler, can contribute to unusual vibrations. Repair or replace damaged components in the exhaust system. Regularly inspect the exhaust system for signs of wear. If you find your car shaking at idle, it's crucial to address the issue promptly to prevent further damage and ensure a smooth driving experience. Consult with a qualified mechanic to diagnose and fix the underlying problem. Additionally, for more automotive tips, troubleshooting guides, and insightful content, subscribe to our channel, share this information with fellow car enthusiasts, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Together, let's keep our rides running smoothly and enjoy the open road without any unwanted surprises. Safe driving.